For y'all wondering how that second cam is set up, I'm using that GoPro like slip-on clip thing or whatever through this piece of plastic. Originally I was gonna just use a sticky mount, but because of how curved this plastic is, you can't get a solid uniform mount on there with the sticky mounts. So had to use that, but it's all good. It works. How's it going down, YouTube? TheRealTDawg back at it again with another video. This time I have a surprise for y'all. Well, if you follow me on Instagram, you probably already know about this, but I finally got my exhaust in. That's all that I do. Springs that hold the muffler to the headers together, and a new bolt. Ooh, look at that! It is the Danmoto Highwayman, powder coated in the black. Heat shield, Danmoto's. Logo right there. Oh man, it's looking nice. Now for the headers. All that I do. That's one header. Powder coated black, of course, with the mounting plates. And the other header. This one's the shorter one. I forgot which side the shorter one goes. I think it's the right side. I apologize for the noise in the background. They decided to mow lawns and stuff right when I decided to do a video. Yeah, here we go. There it is. Real quick unboxing video. I'm still waiting on a few things. Actually, the one thing that's keeping me from installing this right now is new exhaust gaskets. I ordered them. I kind of messed up. I ordered this, and a few days later I realized I didn't order any new exhaust gaskets. Supposedly it's fine since it's, the bike's still kind of new. Only has like 2K miles on it, but at the same time, might as well do it while you're in there. So whatever. I'm just gonna be patient and wait for them to show up before I install the new Danmoto exhaust. And I also got another mod coming in, but it's coming from Europe, so I don't know how long it's gonna take. But yeah, in case you're I guess curious on why I chose a Danmoto exhaust over like say the Two Brothers Racing exhaust, really just one or two reasons really. One, price point. The Danmoto exhaust is like a fraction of the Two Brothers exhaust. Not saying the Two Brothers exhaust is bad. It's probably the best one for this bike, to be honest. But I couldn't spend 700 bucks. I mean, for an exhaust. It's not in the cards for me to spend 700 bucks for an exhaust right now, at least. So two, it's actually, from what I've been told, the Danmoto exhaust is still like loud. Probably second only to the Two Brothers exhaust. Definitely in the top 3 in terms of like loudest exhaust for this bike. So regardless, I mean, I still gotta get a Power Commander 5 for it and all that stuff. Like a Two Brothers exhaust. So to me, it just the pros outweighed the cons pretty much for this choice, at least. Thanks for watching. If you want to see the install video and all that stuff in the future, please hit subscribe, and please hit the like button if you'd like. Maybe comment, maybe share if you want. Yeah, thanks for watching. Catch you all in the next one. Peace.
for you.